How to find your Discord ID. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Discord and log into your account. Once you do that, you want to navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then once you are here, you need to scroll down till you find a section that says App Settings, which is this one right here, from which you want to click on the last option that says Advanced. And here you will see the developer mode option. What you want to do is you want to click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. After that, go back to your profile page, and here you can easily get your Discord ID by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and this list right here will pop up, from which you need to click copy ID. As you can see, the ID has been copied, so let's go ahead and paste it in a note app or anything like that. Say for example, this is my Discord ID, and you will see that if we go back and turn off the developer mode, before that you see that it has two options, to copy the username and to copy the ID. If we go and turn off the developer mode option, you will see that it will only says copy username. So it's that easy and simple. Just turn on the developer mode and copy your Discord ID. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get your Discord ID. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.